and Luke laid it out for him. After a gut-busting laugh, he cranked up and cut
Go straight. It's all right. I know where I'm going.
Oh, I love your shortcut.
Cute. They must have just changed this since last time a girl chased me through here.
You know, Bo, you could lose your way on a racetrack. Reynolds never seems to get lost.
Well, he's got a mustache.
Now, if there's one thing them old boys love better than a race on the track, it's a chase on the road. Since they all had CVs, they'd set up a net, with each man on a different road. Whoever spotted the fertilizer truck would call back to Bo and Luke, who would intercept.